trying to put my people, our people, in a position to where we can get financial freedom. And I'm trying to prove to people that it don't take a lot of money. I always got a couple rules. One, do your research into the company. Two, buy low. Three, sell high. I got the kid into investing. I had my first kid at 18. Started a mutual fund from him. And then once I did that, I always had that in the back of my head of something I wanted to get into. Starbucks, Jumia, Tesla, Disney, Nike, fuel cell, plug power. I just got into it and just wanted to just share my experience with the people.
How y'all doing out there? It's your boy, Brother DJ, coming to you guys live from this beautiful establishment on this frosted, frigid Friday night. Hope everybody's doing good, man. I hope the family is doing well. Hope everybody's out there getting money. Hope everybody is still achieving or trying to achieve financial freedom. This is what this is all about. Shout out to all my squad cast members and Junkyard Gang members that's not with me in the building. I definitely love and appreciate every one of them guys and ladies. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Also hit the subscribe button for Junkyard Gang as well. Hit the like button, notification gang, share, and all that other good stuff. You know, I appreciate it. You know, hit the comments. You know what I'm saying? Engage with the boy. I definitely will engage back. Last but not least, shout out Millis Matthew. If I said it again, so I haven't been a repeat offender. Without him, a lot of this shit wouldn't be possible. So I like to give him his flowers while he's still here, along with everybody else that's with the movement. With that being said, this is going to be a little short one. I just want to talk to you guys about a stock or two that's definitely doing their thing, that I've been trying to talk to you guys about for a while, that I told you to put in your watch list, that I told you to try to get into, get a position in, and things of that nature. And that stock is none other than, drumroll please, Ford Motor Company, ticker symbol F. Current stock price right now is $21.57. Currently up on the market today, over 9%, which is a great thing. My position in this particular play, I got into Ford with the average cost per share of $15.54. You know, I'm currently up over 38%. In this particular play. Ford's been doing very well. They opened today at $19.76. And you know, they had a high of $21.47, which we just discussed. But you know, that's almost peaking their 52-week high of $21.49 that they just hit not too long ago. This is a far cry from what they were like months ago. I remember when Ford stock was just like $10. The price actually was a little bit less than that, to be honest with you, but they kind of got on my radar at 10, and then it was slowly, shooting up. And I wasn't really sure if that was just, if that was just a little trend, because you know how the Reddit community and a couple other community of investors were, just shooting stocks up and things of that nature. But it wasn't really that case. It was a gradual increase, a gradual rise in their price, per share. So it was something that I just said, you know what, I need to get into, because not only is Ford been around for, decades, they continue to innovate and make sure that they stay relevant. When I say innovate and stay relevant, Ford has introduced their EV trucks. And ever since I talked to you guys about that, they can't keep them on production lines. And man, they're not like mass producing them like, back in the day with the Model Ts and all that other stuff. They're not even mass producing them to the level as they do some of their, top selling cars or, trucks and things of that nature. But the ones that they are producing, they're selling out and they can't keep them on the line. So that was a great, like I said, that's a great thing to hear, because once they do go full blast and unleash all their other EV vehicles as well, now you got Ford Motor Company competing with the Teslas, the Neos, the Rivians, and any other EVs out here, doing their thing, because Ford is not only just into EVs, but they have other, they have regular cars, hybrids, and things of that nature as well. So Ford is definitely doing their thing. yeah, they had a 52-week low of $8.43. So I just wanted to piggyback, backpack on that real quick. They had a 52-week of $8.43. All right, just thinking we would have gotten into Ford at that point. All right, and for it to be 21.47, 21.57 right now, I mean, come on. This is just the beginning. I really think Ford is definitely going to continue to rise. I definitely see Ford in 2022 hitting that 25 to $30 mark. You know what I'm saying? So be on the lookout for Ford. If you haven't gotten into Ford, if it does go down, and this is an if, and that's even, and then, this is crazy because with the market has been so unstable and volatile as it's been, how everybody's talking about a crash and things of that nature, Ford has been one of the steadiest companies there is out there on the market. They didn't see a significant decrease in their stock price. They actually saw an increase, to be honest with you. We just talked about it. So y'all put Ford on your watch list. And if they're not on your watch list, make sure that you add them on there. And if you need to get into a position, if you don't have a lot of money, if you got about like 50, 70, you know what I'm saying, maybe $100. If you try to get into Ford, and I would say if it drops down to 15, making like 17, 15, that's a good buying position. But I don't really see it getting that low anytime soon. So shout out to Ford. They're definitely doing their thing. Talk about Microsoft. Microsoft has definitely been doing their thing. Microsoft stock price right now is currently $342.57. Ticker symbol MSFT. We all know Microsoft, Windows, Bill Gates, all the other good stuff. All right. I'm currently up over 31% in this particular play. Up just over 3% today overall. The market is up 3% on the market overall today. Microsoft, guys, is here to stay, and they've been here to stay. They opened today at 334.80, and as you can see, they're at 342.57. All right. They had a 52-week low of $209.11. All right. Clearly, today, lets you know that even the big dogs have down days for it to have gotten that low. But that also lets you know how good of a company Microsoft is for it to jump up the way it has jumped up to 342.57. All right, they had a 52-week high, all right, of 349.67. So they're a little bit $7 lower than the 52-week high. But also again, this lets me know that Microsoft is going to hit the 345, 350, and I really see it hitting. I really see Microsoft probably hitting 360-ish in the year 2022. Now, mind you, I'm no financial advisor. This is just my output on the market, just from things that I'm seeing, trends, deals being made, things of that nature. So Microsoft is a great company to get into. Obviously, this is one of those things where if you don't have enough money to get a whole share, this is definitely something that you might want to get a fractional share of. There's nothing wrong with that at all. Also, they do give a very, very, very small dividend. They have a dividend yield of less than 1%, but for it to be a stable company, a company that stock price is going to continue to rise, and they're going to continue to innovate and change the world like they've been doing. This is definitely a good company to get into. This is definitely a good company to put on your watch list for sure. I don't know if you guys are into the tech stocks. I'm heavily into the tech stocks. That's where a lot of the money is being made. And it's just the way of the future. I mean, it is what it is. I mean, Microsoft has been around since time immemorial. The Oracles and the Apples and all that other good stuff. And Microsoft is here to stay. and they've been playing with the big dogs and been the big dogs, for a long time. And I just see nothing but great things for Microsoft from everything that I've read and seen out there in the internet land, and on articles and publishings and things of that nature. So, with that being said, those are the two stocks I wanted to get into you guys, let you guys know about. They're definitely doing their thing. They're going to continue to do their thing. So if you guys haven't gotten positioned, I will try to get one with Microsoft being at 342. If it goes down to like maybe 335, 330, definitely will try to get in, even in a fractional share standpoint, that definitely be a good thing for you guys. And then you can continue to just build from that point on. All right. As far as the crypto game is concerned, crypto is definitely down right now. I told you guys about the trend a long time ago. When you guys see Bitcoin down, you see Ethereum down, you see the heavyweight going down, then all the other altcoins and meme coins and all the other ones are going to go down as well. With that being said, though, cryptocurrency is not like the stock market. Cryptocurrency is 24/7, 365. You can be down at 7 a.m. and then you can look up and be 8:30 at night, and then you can be up. It's just like that. It happens instantaneously. All right. So with that being said, I really appreciate you guys. Love you guys tap in and tune in. Make sure that you hit the comments. Let me know if there's any stocks or cryptocurrencies that I should be into. I definitely like to engage with you guys. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and all that other good stuff. Don't forget to subscribe to Junkyard Gang as well. We'll definitely be back next week with another Squadcast, and I'll definitely be tapping in with you guys with another Wolf on Wall Street. We're going to do these things, and we're going to close out the year on a good note, regardless of what the market does. All right. So with that being said, peace to the family.